So now to sew your Aso Oke Gele, you actually need Gele. So these are the Geles I'm sewing for a lot, but I'm going to use this one to do the class. So the Aso Oke usually it might come in four strips or three for Gele. Depends on how wide you want your Gele to be. For this one, it has three strips, so it's three that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to cut that open. So it will be three separate strips. So it will be three separate strips. So what you are going to do, you are going to place one. Can you see what I'm doing? You place it on top of each other with 0.5 inch. It doesn't have to be too big. 0.5 inch is enough or less. You place it on each other like this. Then you sew it close to the edge of the ashoke. Can you see it? Just sew it gradually. That's to be neat. That's the beauty of the gele. So you just sew it straight down. So I'm going to sew it straight down now. So you see, I'm done with the first part. Can you see it? Do it gently and you see it's very neat. After doing that, you're going to take the third strip, place it on top the way you did for the first one, 0.5 inch or less, and sew it at the edge, just the way you're seeing me doing. Sew it at the edge like that. Good. Sew it down, just the way you did for the first one. So after sewing it down, make sure as you are sewing, you are trimming off your thread. You're not necessarily trim the ashwaki now because to unravel. Just make sure you trim. So you turn it upside down, turn it to the other side. If you notice the other side, you will notice that one part is opened 0.5 inch. Can you see it? So now you're going to top stitch on that part at the edge. You're going to top stitch on that part. So you do it straight down, neat, straight down. So you are going to do it for the other side, for the second strip also. Top stitch, can you see it? Top stitch on it again, straight down. Please make sure it's neat and it should be at the edge. Good. So now after you are done with that one, you have already joined your gele. So it's next for the next thing to do now is to fold in the edge. In order to do that, you will now trim your gele. So you can trim your ashoke. Now if you had trimmed it earlier, it will unravel. So you trim it, make sure it's neat. Just trim it, trim all the thread away. Then you will now fold it in. You can fold it in by 0.5 inch. Can you see what I'm doing? Just fold it in twice so it won't unravel. Just fold it in twice so it won't unravel. Then you sew it. Good. Can you see it? You just sew it down. Make sure as you are sewing, you are cutting off your thread. Now you trim the other side too. Trim it. Fold it the way you did for the first side. Fold it by 0.5 inch. Make sure it's very neat. Fold it gently. Then you sew. Can you see? So you sew it. And our showcase is almost ready. If you have not yet subscribed, please kindly do the needful. Thank you. So this is our showcase now. Can you see how neat it looks? From inside and outside, it is very, very neat. Can you see? So thank you for watching this video, and this will be the end of the class. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.